here's our jump ball. First possession goes to San Andres. Here's Ricky. Valero passes down low. Rebound goes to Marvin. And off the Suplicana. First middle inside. First possession back. Misses. Rebound goes to Sabina. To Suplicana. Laurel all the way. Down the lane. Touchdown. Here's the tackle play there. From Barangay Sabang, Marvin Edo. Here's the fake for San Andres. Fernando off the shot. Running gun goes in. Establista Romes. And here is Wesley for the recovery. Here's the three. Here's the answer there on the other side. Third over. Good pass to Valero. Ricky. All the way up to the west. Second shot will go for Ricky Valero. With a triple shot on the way, and it's a short one, but there's a good back. Time now. Here is Marvin Edo. Stop the top three. Now, Evangelista to the rest there. Here's the neck of the air. Hardy Evangelista with a back-to-back tears on the shot clock. Shot clock 13, morning fresh. Oh, stolen by Sabang. And here is the break. And here is Bernardo. Passes inside. Bernaldez with the conversion. Oh, here is Eno. Marvin passes to Hardy once again using the gas. Dominating the shaded area. This is Suplicana. Lovell. To Ryan. Delara. On the Suplicana for three. Yes, sir. Here's Delara. Gardo holding down the ladder. Setting up a bait for the defenders. He's forward. Suplicana once again from the parking lot. Yes, sir. On the sideline, passes. On the loose board now, Valentado. Galura with the reverse. Larry, Robles. At the end of first quarter, our score, 20-13. Cristiano de Castro. Passes to Celito. Samson to the corner. The jumper is there. Yes, sir. Edson Vega. Yes. Conan has it. Off of the lead. He drives. He goes and he is fouled. Substitution. There's the back of the air. Loda misses the shot. Conan and Eloy on the play. Up against Ricky. Cross-court pass from the parking lot. Yes, sir! Erickson Vega, three! The clock is there. Shot clock play. Here's Franco. Randy to the corner. Come there for three. Yes, sir! Come there, three! On the see-through on them. Young Isabella, here is Rusty. Stolen by Paletta. Here is Ricky now on the lane for the touchdown. Nice corner for San Andres. Here is Hardy. Pass inside to Abelio. The handles to wrestling. Eloy, lead pass. Abelio with the reception. He goes, passes inside. Hardy with the finish. 2 meters to miss for Joey. Here's San Andres. On the attack, Bear passes. Valero on the other way, yes sir. Over the scored. San Andres is on, versus the Luras for the touchdown. That was a short one on the left. Here's Ricky. On corner rather, on the attack. He goes in and out. Even by Hardy. From downtown. This time, Abelio for the putback. The big quarter. For the Hungary. Defenders. At the end of first and first quarter, 35-26. Here is Ricky Valero. Spins, stole it there. Here's the ring for the defenders. All the way, touchdown! Yung flash po, ma'am, sabagay po. Makikisulit ng flash. Salamat. Here's Pantaleon, George underneath. Yes, sir. Pantaleon. Also number the DM passes. George getting the basket. And the one. Subricaray. Setting up the tempo for the defenders. Good attack. Off against Leonardo. The shot goes in with a one-hander. Negro secures it. Anthony Ricky. Valero with it spin. Good pass underneath. George Pantaleon with a finish. Anthony Caiboy. Here is 52. Pass to the right side. Down low. The shot from Morante goes in. The shot will break. Passes inside. Subricaray with it still. Here is the break now. Delera. Full ball situation. Passes to Morante with a clean up. Here's Galula. Passes Berlin. Here's the break. Subricaray. All alone. Here's Ricky Valero. He's away. Breaks away from the defense. Shots fired. Goes in. Yes, sir. Here is Valero once again. Ricky. All the way up. Touchdown. Ricky has it. Here's a big Mora. All the way up. Open shot, and here's the break for San Andres 2. Here's Ricky with a spin, attacks down the lane, yes sir! They're only down by 6. Hand up to the wrong man, here's Jonathan. Abelio to Hardy is blocked. Here's the defenders on the other side. Abelio lays it in. Hand up. Westward pass. Shot behind down. Passes to Abelio once again. With a back-to-back 2 points. Abelio to Bello. Passes inside to Sampson. Gomez harder gets in the miss. Using up the gas. Yes, sir. Hapon is na dominating the shaded area. Here's the break. And then 52-39. Still in favor of Western Pass. Laying down, 15 seconds to work with. Pass inside, Pantaleon with the reverse. In the area of passes. The shot on the way, low miss. Good back by Jonathan Abelio. Pass patient, pass inside. Pantaleon loses the handles. Better for the loose boy. Here's the break. Subricaray. All alone. Yes, sir. Here is Randy. Stolen it by Conana. Here's the break. Subricaray. Stepping on the gas. Touchdown. Passes cross forward. Negros up in under. Yes, sir. Valero, here's Ricky. On the way he goes. Ayah getting the basket and one. The block is there from Pantaleon. Passes inside. Chopper running down. And there will be a foul. First shot goes in, Gene Fernandez. Good return for Martin to Subricaray. And it's on the way. Morante with a finish. The back is here, yes sir. Morante. All the way up he goes, Loomis. Morante once again for the second time around. Yes, sir. The number has it, and there will be a whistle. Now defenders on the penalty zone. First shot goes in. Here's Preloy, loses it, stolen by Bernardo. Here's Anthony, over the way of Miguel's blocked by Leslie. Here's Morante, having some trouble in the backboard. And a pass it to Carlisle, all the way. Yes, sir. Here's Valero, Ricky, with a letter. Passes to Bernardo, 43. Yes, sir! Anthony Bernardo, 3. This is the 7 to 57. Here's Suplicana, passes. Stolen there by Pantalon. Here's the break for someone to restore. Here's Bernardo, 43. Not this time, but there is Gil. She pulled it back. Here's Argentina. Stopping by 3. Yes, sir! 5 seconds on the shot clock. Astin is there from Galuda. Here's Cupfair. Cupfair for 3. Yes, sir! Cupfair Galuda, 3. Marvin with the reception. Abalayo has it. Lays it in. And he is fouled. Servers are down. Moving goes for Jonathan Abalayo. First shot goes. 35 seconds remaining. Bernardo's for Day. Oh, down. He went by Jonathan. And there will be a foul. First shot goes in for Jonathan. The end of regulation, final score 7-6 to 6-2. Won by Sabang Defenders.